Hey guys, the Mahalingaswamy temple is said to be the first Chola temple to be built using a unique technology. This round mark on this block of stone. It looks like a target, doesn't it? Now if you see these blocks, these are all made apparently of the same material, but yet this one is marked differently. See here? This is how a granite block should sound. Let me try this. Can you hear this? So here, it sounds totally different. It sounds so crazy. Look at this. How is this possible? There seems to be no difference in the stone blocks. Yet, in this bullseye, it sounds completely different.